you starting a business? That's super exciting, but setting up a business can be a little bit of a maze. One big question that you'll face is whether to set up a limited company. It's a smart move for lots of businesses, but it's not always the right choice for everyone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 8 things that you need to know about starting a limited company here in the UK. From picking a name all the way to managing your finances. I'm Lucy Johnson, an accountant with 8 or 9 years worth of financial experience, and I am here to help make accounting simple. So let's dive in. All right, let's start with the fun part, shall we? Choosing a name for your company. Think of this as like naming your baby. Except this baby of yours might one day have a team, a brand, and maybe even make you a fortune. No pressure though, right? This is a big one. It's how people will find you and remember you. So it's worth taking the time to get it right. Your company name needs to be unique. You can't just call it something like Best Business Ever Limited and hope for the best. My advice is to head over to Companies House website. They've got a tool where you can check if your dream name is already taken. It's important to know that your company name also can't include restrictive words. So words like bank, insurance, charity, without special permission. So keep it simple, keep it memorable and relevant to what you do. You got a name? Great, let's keep going. Now, before you jump into setting up a limited company, let's just pause for a second and ask yourself, is this the right move for you right now? Okay, it's a personal decision. For some people, staying as a sole trader might make more sense, especially if you're starting out, you're working solo, or you just want to keep things super simple for now. Being a limited company offers benefits like limited liability and tax perks, but it also comes with extra responsibilities like filing your accounts and your tax returns. Don't feel pressurized to go limited just because somebody else said you should. I hear this all the time. Oh, well, my accountant said so. Was it right for you? Weigh up your options and do what is best for you. For most people looking to go limited, the go-to option is a private limited company, or an LTD for short. This is perfect for small business owners because it separates your personal finances from your business finances. But there are other options too, like a public limited company or a limited liability partnership. If your business plans are a little more ambitious, it's worth doing some extra homework or chatting with an accountant to find the right fit for you. Okay. This part is where things start to feel real. Every limited company needs at least one director. That's the person that's legally responsible for running the company. In most cases, that's going to be you. You don't need to live in the UK to be a director, but you do need to be over 16. So do not go appointing your 10-year-old niece, no matter how business savvy she seems. You can also have shareholders who are the owners of the company. If it's just you running things, you can be both a director and a shareholder, which keeps things super simple. But if you're working with your partners or investors, take time to agree on roles, responsibilities, and shares in advance and get it all in writing. It'll save you loads of time, headaches, and problems down the road that can occur. And we need to think worst case scenario and have everything documented. All right. Let's get official. To register your company with Companies House, you'll need to have all of your details ready to hand. You'll need to have your company name, your address, directors, shareholders, the whole shebang. The process is super simple and can be done online in about 20 minutes. The online process is straightforward and it costs you £50. Once you're registered, you'll get a certificate of incorporation, which is basically like your business's birth certificate. Frame it, hang it up, or just save it in a safe folder. You'll need it for things like opening a bank account. Now, let's talk about where your company will live. Not literally, but officially. You'll need a registered office address. This is where all your legal documents will be sent to. So it needs to be an actual UK address. Working from home? No problem. You can use your home address, but if you'd rather keep that private, which is totally understandable, look into a virtual office service. They can give you a professional address and forward your mail to you. We have clients who use them and we use them ourselves. They come directly into your inbox and you can be paperless. But here's the thing, if you're working with clients in a specific area, say you're only taking jobs in Devon, it might be worth using a virtual office address in Devon. It can actually help build trust with local clients, and it can even boost your SEO, which is part of your marketing, if people are searching for businesses near them. Plus, it's a good way to keep your personal address completely private. Okay, here's a biggie. Setting up a business bank account. This step is a non-negotiable, okay? You need to keep your business money separate from your personal money. It's not just good practice though, it is actually law. Most banks make it really straightforward. You're going to need your company registration number, proof of identity, and sometimes your registered office details. When you're choosing a bank, I recommend looking for one that lets you create separate pots or spaces in your account. These are brilliant for setting money aside for things like your taxes, savings, or other expenses. Some banks even offer features tailored for small businesses, so take a little bit of time to compare your options. Shop around for the best deals. Some banks offer perks like free banking for the first year. Who doesn't love a good freebie, right? Some banks are free, some banks have monthly charges, so please do look into this and find out what's going to work for your accounting software. Okay, let's talk taxes. Everyone's favorite topic, right? As a limited company, you need to let HMRC know what's up. Register for corporation tax within 3 months of starting your business. That's a legal requirement, so do not skip it. If you're planning to hire employees, you'll also need to set up PAYE. That's pay as you earn, so that you can handle their income tax and national insurance. If you're feeling completely overwhelmed by all of this, don't worry. Accounting software like Xero can help keep it super manageable, or you can hire a professional to take care of it for you. And last, but definitely not least, staying on top of your finances. I cannot stress this enough, okay? Keeping good financial records is going to save you so much stress later down the line. From day one, make sure that everything is being tracked, every penny going in and going out. You'll need this information to file your annual accounts and pay your taxes. Plus, having clean, organised finances makes life a million times easier when you want to apply for loans or maybe even sell your business one day. Use accounting software like Xero, hire a pro, or both, but do not just let it slide. If you're not sure where to start, check out our video, Setting Up Your Business Finances from Scratch. It's packed with tips to get you going. And there you have it. 8 things you need to know before setting up your limited company in the UK. How are you feeling now? Are you ready to take the plunge? I really hope this video has given you the clarity and the confidence that you need to get started. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I absolutely love hearing from you and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, hit that little bell icon so that you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching and good luck with your business journey.